Cat is having the best night. He's
Look at
like,
this.
he went from having no lasagna to being fed like lasagna like 3 times.
Find plans, B-mans? Good one.
He's sniffing them.
Oh my god.
I made a mistake. I put my Apple Pen down on a blanket and it evaporated. No.
You're crazy.
Opens my door, and then you just have the nerve to sit there like this. You pay rent? You pay rent? Okay.
Hey, honey, that doesn't look like a baby. Right color. Wrong kind. What are you doing in there, Vin?
I still have your carrot. I have your carrot.
Bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? 2. 1, 2. Bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish?
Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler. Are you new here?
Yeah.
Do you know what a pain in the ass is? Are you a pain in the ass?
Blue, get the damn cat.
Good boy. Good boy. Good girl. Good boy and girl.
What are you doing? What are you doing? That's my hot dog! Give me that back! You thief! You stole it!
If you spell your cat's name backwards, it will sound beautiful.
Anal.
Show Brie and Emily your new sweater. Do you like it? You look so handsome. Oh yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Are you pooping in the snow?
Please get the space out of your mouth. No, again. losing my mind. I just looked over at my cat. I just look over and she's laying there like this, just staring at me. Gracie, what are you doing?
I love you.
Yeah, cool. I love you too.
I want to stay with you in your room, in your bed.
Okay, well, that's not gonna happen. Anyway.
Stop being so nice and show them how crazy you are. I don't want to act.
Why should you think that? Don't know. I left the island 3 years. You check your cat.
What's going on? Do you want some of this? You.
Resolve the issue. Okay, Ethan. Okay, nice cat. I can check you in.
Oh my god!
No, don't.
It's too late.
Come on, dude, don't.
It's already in motion.
Well, put it out of motion!
You pissed me off.
Leo, you want food?
Oh, you're awake. Well, your teeth are finished, and your gums should be here by the end of the week.
Where's my dick at?
Why are you up?
I gotta go to the bathroom real bad with spicy diarrhea.